Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. In this video, we're reviewing the YouTube Studio app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. YouTube Studio is the official management app for YouTube creators. It's designed to give channel owners quick access to their performance analytics, video management tools, and audience engagement features, all from their phone. Instead of needing a desktop every time, creators can check real-time stats, reply to comments, and make important edits on the go. Many users appreciate how convenient the app is for tracking analytics. It provides real-time data like views, watch time, subscriber growth, and audience retention. The dashboard is streamlined, so creators can quickly see how their latest uploads are performing without digging through multiple menus. Comment moderation is also a big plus. Being able to reply or filter spam directly through the app helps keep engagement active. On the positive side, YouTube Studio also allows you to edit video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. For creators managing multiple uploads, this saves time and helps them stay consistent. Push notifications for milestones or performance updates give quick insights into how content is doing. However, the app isn't perfect. Some users feel it's too limited compared to the desktop version. Features like advanced monetization settings, bulk editing, or in-depth research tools aren't fully available. The analytics, while helpful, don't always provide the same level of detail you'd get from YouTube Studio on a computer. In some cases, updates or delayed data syncing can cause frustration for creators who rely heavily on real-time accuracy. In summary, YouTube Studio is worth using if you're a content creator who needs to manage your channel on the go. It won't completely replace the desktop version for deep analytics or advanced management, but it works well as a companion tool to stay connected with your channel anytime, anywhere. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.